In this video, we'll be looking at the history panel, and the history panel is a very important panel in Photoshop. And unlike other programs where you use your Ctrl Z to undo a series of events back to a particular point where you might not want to undo anymore, and Ctrl Y to redo, like the Microsoft Word and other softwares, in Photoshop, the Ctrl Z works only to undo a command once, and if you press the Ctrl Z again, it redoes the command. Okay, so it undo and redo if you press it continually. Okay, so here I have a document and I want to undo some of the things I've done inside this document. Now if I press Ctrl Z, you discover it changes to green. And if I press Ctrl Z again, instead of going back one more step, it came back to red, which is it moved front. So it's just going to and fro, back and front, like that. Now the panel that helps us out here is the history panel, and what the history panel does is it holds a series of commands or a series of events that are being carried out inside of Photoshop. So if I happen to click on a particular icon here, or if I happen to do a particular thing, the history panel holds it as a list of command right here. So if you want to go back 2 steps above, you can just click here and you see what we did some steps before what we finalized on. So you can as well go back there, you can as well go there, and like that till you get to the point where you want to do what you want to do. Now if you can't see your history panel, you quickly go to the window menu and click on history, and it will come out the way we saw it right here. Okay, so the shortcut key to use on your keyboard if you don't want to use the history panel is not Ctrl Z but Ctrl Alternate Z. Okay, now if you press Ctrl Alternate Z, it goes back a step at a time. Okay, so that is what the history panel does. Now you can also use the history panel to take snapshots on a particular document. Like let's say you want to take a snapshot of this. Now beneath your history panel, you can just click on that camera icon. It says create new snapshot, and you have a new snapshot right here on your history panel. Okay, so that is how it works, and play with it. I'll see you in the next video.